Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today video I will try to explain what document do we need for DOV and Italian visa. As you know that there are many students currently applying for PhD, master and bachelor degree admission in Italian universities. And after getting admission in universities, we need some documents to get visa as well as to get DOV to complete your process and get your visa and fly to Italy. So in this video I will try to explain what document do you need to apply for DOV as well as Italian visa. So let's start. As you can see, first of all I will explain what document do we need for Italian student visa. Required document for Italian student visa. The first thing you need is visa application form. You have to fill the application form. This application form you can download from the embassy website, as well as you can go to embassy and get this form and fill out and sign. After getting this form, simply you need some documents. Valid passport must be valid for at least 3 months and with at least 2 blank pages. You need this document. Recent passport size photograph. Usually you need 2, 3 or 4 photograph. Letter of admission. Letter of admission you will get from Italian universities. After admission, for sure they provide you admission later, and you need this letter, as well as after getting admission you need to apply for pre-enrollment using university website, and you need this letter, right? And you need proof of accommodation. Proof of accommodation you can get a dummy proof of you can get this from booking.com, some online website, like a dummy accommodation, as well as you can book a room or any hostel in Italy, and you need a proof of accommodation to go to embassy, right? And you also need proof of financial means. You need documents showing you have sufficient fund to cover your stay. This can include bank statement, scholarship awards or letter of sponsorship. So you need this document. For example, you have a scholarship, you need a scholarship award later. If you don't have a scholarship, for sure you need a bank statement and or any other sponsorship from anyone, right? You need this document, as well as you need health insurance. Travel health insurance is simply you can get from any agent in Pakistan, or you can get online, and it should be at least covering at least 30,000 euro. And you need flight ticket. You need a reservation showing entry date from Italy. So you need a flight ticket, some dummy ticket you can get from any agent in your hometown. You need this list of documents you need for visa. After collecting document for visa, we need to collect document for DOV. For DOV, simply you need application form. Fill out and sign the application form. You can find this form online on your embassy website. You need educational certificate, original and photocopy of latest educational certificate, high school, diploma, bachelor, master degree along with mark sheet. For example, if you are applying for bachelor degree, you need higher school diploma and college diploma. If you are applying for master, you need higher school, bachelor degree, diploma, right? If you are applying for PhD, you need all these documents: high school, college, bachelor and master degree along with mark sheet. After that, you need to legalize these all documents. To legalize these all documents, higher school and college document should be legalized from your country. This involves the Inter-Board Committee, IBCC, or Ministry of Foreign Affairs. In your hometown, you have to legalize your original higher school and college diploma first, and then you need to legalize your university document like bachelor, master degree document from Ministry of Foreign Affairs as well as from HEC. After legalization, you need to make a photocopy, 1 or 2 sets of the original, and you need to translate all your document into Italian. Translation must be done by certified translator. There are some certified translator that suggested by your embassy, so you can translate all documents in Italian. After translation, simply you need to submit this document to Italian consulate or embassy. Like after translation, you need to make a photocopy, 1 or 2 set with your application form, and you can go to embassy and submit. And for example, nowadays some embassy or consulate don't provide you DOV. So for that, in that case, you need to apply for CIMEA certificate. If you want to apply for CIMEA certificate, simply go to description. I already make video on CIMEA, how to apply for CIMEA online, and follow this video. And additional supporting documents you also need. Police clearance certificate, sometime required to show you have no criminal records. Language proficiency certificate, if your course in Italian, you need this certificate, and if your course in English, sometime you need IELTS. So if you have IELTS, you should attach additional document, but you also need maybe English proficiency from your college, from your university, from higher school. You can also attach this as an additional document. And you need a cover letter. In cover letter, simply you can explain about your visit, about your education plan, about your scholarship, and it's quite simple. And these are additional document. And application process. First of all, after you have a document for visa, you have document for DOV, then simply check the website and simply try to find out the book appointment. And after getting appointment, simply prepare your documents. I mean, like one original set for DOV and visa, 1 or 2 set photocopy for these 2 documents, and then submit your document to embassy or consulate, and maybe they will ask for interview. Sometime for master, for bachelor, they ask for interview. Attend the interview and then wait for visa processing. Sometimes it takes 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. It depends on your embassy or consulate. So it's quite easy. You need this list of documents and you need to follow simple step and try to make it simple. And I think this video will help you that what document do you need and how you can process these documents step by step. So thanks for watching my video. If you like my content, give a thumbs up. Thank you.